In this video I'm going to show you how to add mouse pointer highlighter to the cursor. First of all, download the mouse pointer highlighter application from the Microsoft Store. You can open the application to add the highlighter and close the app to remove. Use the size option to increase or decrease the size of highlighter. Use the opacity option to increase or decrease the transparency of the highlighter. Here you can change the color of the highlighter. You can also change the size of the click highlighter dot. It highlights the point where you click, and its opacity can be changed from this option. Now let's talk about the display time. Display time means how long the click highlighter shows after you clicked. You can also change the color of the click highlighter. Finally, click on Apply Setting to save the changes you have made. Please comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.